In this video, I would like to teach you structure of simple present tense for plural subject. Before this video, I have taught affirmative structure of simple present tense for the singular subject. Now in this video, I would like to teach you affirmative or positive statements or positive sentence structure of simple present tense. Simple present tense is also called present and definite tense. So before that, I have discussed singular structure of simple present tense, affirmative, negative, negative interrogative, informal as well. Now I come to here to discuss the plural structure of simple present tense. So for that we need to know about the formula. So formula begin, affirmative mostly begin from the subject. So first of all we need a subject, and then subject is followed by base form verb. Subject is followed by base form of verb, and verb is followed by complement. That is called here complement here. Now first of all, what are the subject pronoun which follow this formula? So in this case we are going to discuss the plural subject pronoun. Plural means, for example, I. So this formula, I will follow this formula. The second we have, that is called we, and the third we have, that is called you, and the third other we have, that is called they, and before they we have also that plural noun, that is called plural nouns. And plural noun means two nouns. Like for example, I say Ali and Umar. These are called plural nouns. So this formula is only helpful for the subject of I, we. Actually, if we talk about that subject pronoun, we have three types of subject pronoun. First, I and we is called first person pronoun, you is called second, and third person is called he, she, it, and they. But now according to the simple present tense, these are called plural subject pronoun, and these are followed by first form verb. So now I is followed by base form verb. So I say that I teach English every day. I teach English every day. Next one is, I say that we come to class every day. And if we talk about you, so you watch TV at night. And if we talk about they, so they read books. Every day. Now if we talk about plural nouns, simply means two nouns, and when two nouns come together, so it will also follow by first form verb. Like I said that Ali and Umar fix the cars every day. So if we look at our formula, so these all sentence follow this formula. So according to this formula, if we need to construct the plural sentence of simple present tense, first of all we need subject, and these all are called subject. Subject pronoun. So we can simply write that this is called S. And the rest of are called base form of verb. And base form of verb is also called dictionary form, root form, first form verb, etc. So we can simply write that is called we. And the rest of are called complement. This is called complement. In affirmative sentence, we also need a punctuation mark. This punctuation mark is called period, while we also call full stop. In American English, this punctuation mark is called period, while in British English, this punctuation mark is called full stop. Both have the same meaning. So if we recall that today presentations, so I have taught structure of simple present tense. Simple present tense is also called present and definite tense. For plural structure, for plural subject, it's mean not for the singular. This formula will obey only or followed by the subject pronoun or subject or plural noun. So first of all we need as, then base form verb, then complement here. So these are called subject, these are called base form verb, and the rest of are called complements. So that's end for this video. Inshallah, I see you in next video.